How you doing, people? Hope you are well. Okay, I'm going to show you here two variations of a 15-minute workout. No equipment required, you can do them anywhere. One of them is entirely lower body, the other one does have a little bit of upper body. And the workouts are 1 minute lunge jumps, 1 minute's rest, 1 minute squat jumps, 1 minute's rest, 1 minute's heels to backside burpees, 1 minute's rest, 1 minute star jumps. You then get another minute's rest and you do 2 rounds. The next workout is 1 minute squat thrusts, 45 seconds rest, 1 minute squat jumps, 45 seconds rest, 1 minute's heels to backside burpees with a push-up, 45 seconds rest, 1 minute star jumps. You then get a minute's rest and you do a second round. So obviously a couple of variations there, squat thrusts instead of the lunge jumps, and the burpees, heels to backside burpees, have a push-up in the second workout. And of course the second workout is just 45 seconds rest between exercises. In the first one they are a minute's rest. The first one is more leg heavy with the lunge jumps, which is why you get the minute's rest. But it's good to mix up the work to rest ratio anyway, because if you've had a little bit more rest you can go a little bit harder. And you will notice the difference between a minute's rest and 45 seconds rest. But on both of them, I'm always amazed how hard you can work in such a short period of time. So the link to the first one, a minute on, minute off with lunge jumps, is here. This will be in a follow along format, so you can use that if you need. I'll also put a link in the description. The link to the second workout, which is a minute on, 45 seconds off, has the squat thrusts and the heels to backside burpees with a push-up. That's in the top right here. And again, a link in the description to a follow-along version. These are brilliant workouts, and of course there's a lot of jump work in them, but that is, plyometrics are great for the explosive dynamic power, but also bone density. And at the end of the day, bone density is a really important factor you want to maintain and improve in your legs especially. Okay, let me know in the comments if you have a go at either one of these. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.